Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's your boy Terrence Pounds back with another crypto investment video. This time it's on TFVPM. And as you can see, it's an investment fund. And you can earn up to 2.8% per day. And please, folks, go ahead and subscribe now. And before I go any further, let me say I am not a financial advisor. I'm a clever content creator. Oh, and I'm a risky YouTube dude. And I'm in 40 different plays out here in this space and I'm joining more and more every day. But before you invest any dollars in anything I talk about on my channel, you better do your own research. You better make sure that you can afford to lose some or all of your money. I'll repeat it again. You better make sure that you can personally afford to lose some or all of your money. Why? Because everything I talk about on my channel is high risk, but it also comes with high reward. I just treat it all like the casino, like a lottery, like a gamble, like a game of chance. But if you practice a great money management strategy, you hit it hard and heavy from the beginning, get your seed capital out of the way, whatever you initially invested, and then play with house money. That's what's been working for me for the past year. Now, folks, let me go ahead and get into this video. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe on the YouTube video. Like it, share it, comment, and subscribe. Now, folks, I've been in TFVM for over a month now, and it will be going on my website. The sub chat is set up, and this thing has been paying. Now, folks, I'm going to play this. I'm going to tell you about this. I already told you it's an investment fund. And then let me give you some of the information that you can find out about their community on their website here. It's a multi-strategy team building all around multi-strategy teams across multiple different assets. Cutting edge analysis team helps fund companies create a new era of investment. And then more than 35% of the world's wealthy family offices are all ready to invest in cryptocurrency. Now, TFVPM deciphers why institutions are rushing to use ChatGPT. So, once again, folks, it's another project that is using artificial intelligence to do trading in different asset classes. Crypto is one of the hottest ones right now. So when you invest with TFVPM, you're getting the opportunity to invest in a fund. Now, folks, let me go and show you the different plans that they have here. When you come in and get set up, you would come over here to my, and then, folks, you would click recharge. When you click recharge, it's going to bring up the option to recharge in USDT, TRC20, or USDT, ERC20. Those are your only two options. I chose TRC20 because that's what I prefer, and the gas fees are generally cheaper with the Tron network than it is with the ERC20 network. Once your account is recharged, you're going to see capital in your available balance here. Once that's in your available balance, then you can easily come over here to Discovery and choose which one of the plans you want to work with. Now, folks, they got fixed term funds and they got compound interest funds. I chose the fixed term funds and compound interest funds, but I'll tell you why. Because I put 10,000 in here. And then so folks, you're able to try different strategies, different time frames. But let me show you how this works. So the fixed term funds is what most people do choose because the lockup period is shorter. You can make 1.3% a day, and it's just a 1 day cycle. So your capital is only locked up for 1 day. You do the cycle, and after 24 hours, you can get your return on capital as well as your initial investment back. The minimal is just $10. And then, folks, the next plan that they have is 1.33% a day. It's a 3 day cycle. And then, so every day for 3 days, you'll be getting your return on, excuse me, after the 3 day cycle is up, you'll get your return on your investment at that particular time. But it's just $20 to start in this particular plan, folks, and it runs for just 3 days. And then, folks, the next plan is the Alpha Momentous ICS is 1.38% a day. And then this cycle is 5 days. And then at the end of the cycle, your capital is released and all of your profits, folks. And then the next plan that they have here, folks, is the Synergy Special Strategy. And this one is 1.46%. It runs for a total of a 7 day cycle. And then so you would get your earnings and your initial seed capital locked back up, unlocked after those 7 days. And then here's a very popular one, the Trender Trader number one. Now, why? Because it's only one, you pays 1.59% a day. The project cycle is 15 days, but you're making 23.85% during that 15-day period. Now, folks, these are 7 days a week. So this thing is trading every single day. And then, folks, if you want to, okay, with locking up your capital longer, there's the compound interest fund. And then, folks, you see this is 1.43% down to 2.8% per day. But realize that your funds are locked up for the whole period in time because they're automatically compounding them for you. Now, let me show you this. This is 1.43%. That's the average once it's compounded. It's a 30-day cycle right here. And you would get every single thing, your profit and also your seed capital back at the end of that 30-day cycle. And then, folks, then they have the Markowitz trend combination, 1.57%, the capital and your return capital and your seed capital and your profits are locked up for 45 days, but you make 70.65% in that 45 days. And then, folks, they also have here the Stellar High Frequency Trading ETF, HFT, and that's 1.74% a day, 60 days. It's locked up. You get your profits and your return at the end of that time frame. Then they have the Global Digital Asset Growth Fund, 2.3% per day. Your capital is locked up for 90 days, but it's 270% return, capital and profits. And then the highest plan, which is the Horizon Europa Collection Combination. You have 2.8% per day. Everything is locked up for 120 days, but that is 336% on your initial investment. And then, folks, you can see each plan has a different minimal purchase amount to start with. You can easily click through the plans and see what the minimal purchase amount for you works. Okay. And now, folks, what I had decided when I got started to go with a number of different plans. And then, so let me show you this over here. Under fund order, you can see right now I still got 5,000 running. And then you can see right here that this one expires on 7/21. That's a $2,000 plan. This one right here expires on 8/5. So that was a 30-day plan, right? 1655. This one right here expires on August 20th. So that was a 45-day plan for 500. And then this one right here expires on 9/4. So that must have been a 60-day allocation, right? And then this one right here expires on 10/4. And then I did one of every position just to see what works, right? I wanted to see how it works. I wanted to lock up the capital. I wanted to give it a try. But I like it so far as paying. Now, folks, if you like this, they have tons of different information on here for you to come and take a look at. They have different stuff that you can see on the markets, foreign exchange, commodities, digital currency. And then, folks, also, I want to show you one other thing here before I get you off the channel today. But this is TFVPM and it's paying. I'm in it past 30 days on my website, all of that different stuff. So it is making me feel pretty good right here. Now I want to show you just one article right here. I'm going to show you one article right here. And there's multiples, but when these articles run, they generally run with the Associated Press or whoever's providing the information. You see the same articles ran on different channels, and then there's multiple articles on multiple different channels, and I can show you multiples of them, but I'm just going to show you this one. And then if you want some links to these articles, I'll put one in the description of the video, and then you can come over to the Telegram chat and see more all you would like. And then here you go, folks. This is AZ Central. This is one of the places that the article was ran. TFVPM, multi-strategy team building on an all-around multi-strategy team across assets. Recently, with the launch of TFVPM's new digital asset product, Global Digital Asset Fund, the multi-strategy solution team behind it has also gradually entered the public eye. The team is not only an important branch of TFVPM's diversified digital asset business, but it also takes advantage of the team's diversified capabilities to create a series of products that match the needs of different risk preferences and meet investors' needs for stable allocation and cross-border asset management. And then, folks, you can see right here, TFVPM Multi-Strategy Solutions team is led by Kevin, who for over 20 years of investment experience in global markets, including 8 years in Canada, 7 years in the US, and 7 years in Germany. And then you can see a picture of Kevin here. And I'm not going to read the whole article to you, but I did just wanted to show you that this is not only just one, but there are multiple articles out there for TFVPL. All right, folks. Now, that is it for this investment update. If you want to find out more about all the other projects that I'm in, you can come over to my website, cryptomadeeasy.net, cryptomadeeasy.net. It is your gateway to passive income with crypto, Forex, arbitrage, and copy trading. And then, folks, you can also check out my new project, K100. Here's videos on it. Links to all the projects are right here on my website. If I've been in it for 30 days, it winds up here. And then this thing's not updated all the time, but you can always check in the Telegram, make sure everything is still going for any project that I talk about on any of my videos. There's also links to my Facebook channel, to my YouTube, to my Telegram, and we do have weekly Zooms every Thursday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Weekly Zooms every Thursday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right. Hey, thank you for listening. God bless you and peace.